I had a few people asking me to make a video of this rifle after it's already cleaned up. This is the one I got from Classic 2 Wednesdays ago. Cleaned it up and took it to the range last Wednesday. I have a video of the unboxing, and I also have a video of shooting it at the range. But since it's a real pretty sunny day, I thought it'd be a good time to come out and make a video of it. So that it's already cleaned up. Got an original Chinese sling for it. Original Chinese carry bag. I think those are for AK-47s, but it works. And then I got the bandolier to hold all the ammo in. Every place I've found a serial number on it so far, everything matches. It's got just the right amount of dents and dings on it to make it to where I like it. I'd rather have it look like this than brand new. If I wanted something brand new, I'd go get a Yugo SKS or something, you know, which those things all, you can get some brand new ones of those, looks like. But anyway, that's it. Most of the bluing is gone off back here, but I don't care about that. It's just honest wear. So that's it.